Hello guys, in this video we are going to talk about how to report and delete someone's Facebook account. So you have to actually go to the person's account basically right here, and then you have to tap the three buttons right here and report the profile. So you can only delete someone's Facebook account if they're doing a hefty violation that's against meta policies or human policies in general. So as you can see right here, these are the choices that you can choose from. So if you have something to report that's legal or illegal, something illegal that's happening within the account, you can do so right here, and that may cause the person's Facebook account to be deleted. It's like someone impersonating your account, perhaps, or basically your old account and they're impersonating it. So people have tried the if you have an old account and you want it deleted, I suggest you actually try to spam it with right here, fake profile basically, and then pressing me, and then for your friends they will say it's a friend mentioning you, and there you go. That's how you report and delete someone's Facebook account basically. So if they're not violating anything else, we cannot do anything about that because we cannot forcefully delete someone's Facebook account of false claims. So there you go guys, that is how you report and delete someone's Facebook account.